Get a lot more enjoyment from your own coffee. How to make over 100 different coffees using just your own coffee and some simple ingredients. The World Collection. Make a traditional coffee drink from another country, using just your own coffee and some simple ingredients. 52 countries, 52 coffees. Quick and easy. Get a lot more enjoyment from your own coffee.
The Coffee Shop Collection. Just by adding a few simple ingredients to your own coffee, you can easily transform it into something amazing. With just a teaspoon of this and a squirt of that, you can open up a whole new world of coffee delights. Get a lot more choice from your own coffee.
The Cocktail Collection. Make a coffee cocktail to relax with in the evening. Simple tips and tricks that are easy to do. Just add 1 or 2 ingredients to create a new drink. Enjoy your own coffee cocktail minibar at home. Get a lot more pleasure from your own coffee.
However you like it, however you make it. Get a lot more enjoyment, choice, and pleasure from your own coffee. If you like the sound of this idea, come visit AmazeBallsCoffee.com and see what the World Collection, Coffee Shop Collection, Cocktail Collection, and the London Collection can show you.